7 vitamins that boost brain damage recovery. Hello everyone and welcome to my video about the 7 vitamins that can help boost brain damage recovery. I'm sure you're all well aware of the devastating effects that brain damage can have on an individual's life. It can leave one struggling to cope with everyday tasks and activities, and it can be a difficult road to recovery. But it doesn't have to be that way. There are a number of vitamins that can help boost brain damage recovery, and I'll be talking about them in this video. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by sharing this video. Let's delve into the subject. When there is physical damage to the brain, it affects the cells and leads to negative consequences. Eating a nutritious diet and obtaining sufficient vitamins is important for keeping the brain healthy. However, it is even more important to get enough vitamins after a brain injury. In this video, we're discussing the 7 vitamins that can help in the recovery process after a brain injury. Vitamins and brain damage. Research has shown that proper nutrition is greatly beneficial for recovery from neurological damage and maintaining optimal brain health. However, it can be difficult to get all of the necessary nutrients from food, particularly when trauma or illness causes a loss of appetite. That is why supplements can be useful, as they can provide the nutrients needed for the brain to heal and perform optimally when food is not an option. Nevertheless, supplements alone may not be enough to meet all of the nutritional requirements. What vitamins contribute to recovery after brain damage? It is essential to understand that although vitamin supplements can provide additional nutrients, they cannot substitute for a healthy diet, which is a critical factor in achieving a successful recovery and a healthy brain. Here are some of the best vitamins for neurological injury recovery. 1. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial for the general health of the brain. They can enhance cognitive function and memory, as well as potentially boost the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which helps the brain create new neurons. The best source of omega-3 is found in fatty fish, although supplement versions can be used as an alternative. 2. B12 vitamin. All of the B vitamins are beneficial for the brain, with B12 being the most essential. B12 is utilized by the body to create myelin sheaths, which are an insulation that wraps around the nerves and allow electrical signals to be transmitted quickly and accurately. This implies that B12 can enhance neural functioning. Additionally, this vitamin helps brain cells create energy, which is necessary for the brain to heal. 3. Antioxidants. Following a neurological injury, the brain may experience a large amount of inflammation in its cells and tissues, and one of the best ways to combat this is to increase the intake of antioxidants. Vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene are powerful antioxidants which can help to eliminate free radicals and reduce inflammation in the brain. 4. Probiotics. Many people think of probiotics as something to help with digestion, but they can also be beneficial for the brain. The brain and gut are connected through the enteric nervous system and the vagus nerve, the longest nerve in the body. The gut also produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, just like the brain. Because of this connection, it is possible that probiotics can help with brain function and neurotransmitter production. Although more research is needed to confirm this, it may be worth adding some probiotic supplements to your diet. 5. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a vital nutrient that aids in building strong bones, boosting the immune system, and alleviating fatigue, in addition to having a major role in brain operations. The hippocampus has a great concentration of vitamin D receptors, suggesting that it is essential for memory storage. Furthermore, vitamin D encourages the production of neurotransmitters, improving the connectivity between neurons and potentially decreasing post-concussive depression. 6. MCT Oil. Medium-chain triglycerides is a type of fat that gets digested quickly and converts into ketones. These ketones are special fats that can penetrate the protective layer of the brain, supplying it with additional energy for better functioning, especially during the recovery process after neurological injury. Therefore, MCT oil is an advantageous supplement for helping with recovery. 7. Acetyl L-carnitine. Acetyl L-carnitine is likely one of the most beneficial supplements for those recovering from a brain injury. This amino acid is naturally produced by the body and has powerful antioxidant properties. What makes it particularly helpful for brain injuries is its role in generating acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is vital for memory, perception, and other cognitive abilities. In conclusion, these 7 vitamins can help to speed up the healing process when it comes to brain damage recovery. If you or someone you know is suffering from brain damage, make sure to consult your doctor about supplementing with these 7 vitamins. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.